Hi, my name is Eric. I'm the startup manager with CR Air Conditioning, and today we're going to take time and show you how to use your Honeywell T4 Pro Series thermostat. On the Honeywell T4 Pro, this is the home screen. This is what you will be seeing. You will have 5 buttons on the bottom. You have a plus and a minus. You have your mode. This is how you change from heat to cool and to have your system off. The temperature in the center, that is the temperature that is reading in your home. And at the top left corner, you have the time. On the bottom, you also have your fan menu, which if you press the button second from the right, you can also change it to have it on auto mode or to have it continuously on. Now, how do you change this? First, we'll start off with the mode. On the mode, if you select and press the button, it will give you the option on the top with heat. And as you can tell, the number that is your desired temperature setting is on the top. You change the setting by simply pressing the plus to go up or the minus to go down. Once you have the desired setting that you want to have in your home, this will send a signal to your home, and on the top right, you will see the heat on as it blinks. This is letting you know that there is a 5-minute delay, and once that delay has been satisfied, your house will be calling for heat and your home will start heating. Now, as you can also tell, the temporary hold is up here on the side to your left. If you wanted to keep it on a temporary hold, that means that the system will run until 6 p.m. and then it will change back to the original schedule. If you wanted to hold it, simply press the button second to the left, and that will bring your permanent hold. That means that your system will always be at that desired temperature setting unless you physically come and change that temperature up or down in order to get rid of that permanent hold and to have your system go back to the settings that you have it, or the schedule that you prefer. Drop the temperature, press the hold, and it will give you back to temporary hold. You can also cancel that, and it will everything change and just follow your schedule settings. Now for the fan, if you want to have your fan from fan on auto, which means the system will only turn on the fan when there's a call for heat or a call for cooling. Now if you wanted to change that and you wanted to circulate your air in your home, press the fan button, and now as you can see, it says fan on. You can also change this back to the auto, and on auto it will be the same as before. When there's a call for heat, your fan will turn on. When there's a call for cooling, the fan will turn on. If you want to go into the schedule settings, press the menu. It'll bring you here to your program schedule. In order to set the schedule, simply select, as you can see it's on, select it because you want to have it on, and it will give you your days. As you can see, right now it's flashing Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. If you want to select those days, it'll give you the options. Wake is in the morning, away is usually when you leave home, home is when you come back to your home, and sleep is right before you go to bed. You can change these settings by simply selecting them on. It'll give you the time that you want to set it to and the temperature. You can raise or lower it, as you can see, and you can also change the setting to cool, and it'll give you the next option, which is when you go away. And if we follow those options, it'll keep going into the home, and the same for the sleep. Once all that has been adjusted and selected to your comfort settings, simply hit the home button and it will bring you back to your home and your schedule has been selected. There's also programming for your time. You will press select and you will change your time. It gives you whether you want to have it in 12-hour, or the other change you can also do is right here. Simply press the arrow for 24 hours or to go back to your 12-hour settings. You'll select it, you'll change the time, save it, change the minute, save it, and it will change, and it's saved. As you proceed, we go to the next, which is your date. You select the date, it'll give you your year, the month, the day. Once you have selected them, simply save and proceed to the next function. For this particular one, this is your temperature in Fahrenheit or Celsius. If you wanted to change it, simply press select. You either hit the plus or the minus to go to Celsius or Fahrenheit. Select and it's saved. Now once you have chosen that, there's one more. This is the lock screen pad. If you're going to lock your screen, I highly recommend that you write down the number and you save it so that you don't forget. Once that has been saved, simply hit home. If you want to go to one of the previous options, hit the little arrow and it will bring you back to whichever function you need to adjust. Once you have made all your selections, hit the home button. It will bring you back to the home screen. And this is how to use the T4 Pro Series. Thank you for watching, and for more video tutorials, please visit us at crconditioning.com.